Now I am going to teach you insertion sort. So what is insertion sort? Insertion sort is a sorting problem which we solve through insert a data in between the related data. Okay. So first, what is insertion sort? Suppose an array A with n elements, that is A1, A2 up to n elements, an is in memory. There is we take n elements in memory. The insertion algorithm scans A from A1 to an. Okay, one by one scans from A1 to an, inserting each element AK. See, the AK is an element into its proper position. So we have to insert the exact position where it should be in previously sorted subarray A1, A2 up to AK minus 1, up to after AK minus 1 there is a of n. So we have to search before n, that is AK or k minus 1, the exact position where we have to insert data, that is a k minus 1 is a position where it is shift, it should be set. Okay, so there is lots of passes. Pass 1, A1 is trivially sorted. We think that A1 is trivially sorted. Okay, pass 2, A2, the next position A2 is inserted either before or after A1, so that A1 A2 is sorted. In this way, pass 3, we take A3 is inserted, the position A3 is inserted into its proper place in A1 A2, that is before A1, between, and A2 or after A2, so that A1, A2, A3 is sorted. In this way, pass 4 is there. A4 is inserted into its proper place in A1, A2, A3, so that A1, A2, A3, A4 is sort. Okay. In this way, pass n, up to how many times we go, there is an n element, so we have to go past n. N is inserted into its proper place in A1, A2, an minus 1, so that before n minus 1 position is there. Okay, so n minus 1, so that A1, A2, an is sorted. For take an example, just I take the set of numbers 77, 33, 44, 11, 88, 22, 66 and 55. We have to arrange and insert the element into its exact position. Okay, so I take the position A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way, there is 8 position. And we take the pass. As you know, we take here the passes are there. How many pass we have to go? So 8 position is there, so we have to go to 8 pass. Okay, now as you know, A1 is trivially sorted. We have to A0 is infinity. We mention here, we denote it from infinity. Okay, now we set our data from A1. Okay, 77. Initially, we have to write all the data as given: 77, 33, 44, 11, 88, 22, 66 and 55. Okay, now in pass 2, AK, when in pass 2, we have to check from A2. As you know, A2 is inserted either or before or after, so that A1, A2 is sorted. We see here in insert sorting, we have to arrange it from ascending order or descending order. Now in this problem I am sorting in ascending order. Okay, so here in A2 33 is there and A1 is 77, so we have to insert 33 into A1 and it is automatically shift the position, or we have to change. It is automatically change. Okay, just in next pass K3 we have to arrange here, so automatically A1 is 33, now 77 is there, and already given and 44, 11, 88, 22, 66 and 55 is there. Now in pass 3 we see that in A3 position 44 is there and 77 is in between A1 and A3. So A2 position 33, 77, 44. So we have to again arrange it. So in next pass we arrange it 33, 44, 77, now 11. Again 11 we get 11. So 11, the position of 11 is very initially because it is very small number, so we have to arrange the exact position is the initial one. So in next pass we have to arrange it 11, 33, 44, 77, 88. So next position is 88, which is already sorted. There is not move. All the numbers are less from 88, so we don't insert anywhere. So next pass is there. We have to take again next number. Now again we get 22 is there. So the 22 have to shift the position in A2. It is less than 33. So in next pass 11, 22, 33, 44, 77, 88, 66 and 55. We get next number 66 and 66 is less than 77. So we have to switch here. We have to set here 66 in next set 11, 22, 33, 44, 66, 77, 88 and 55. Now the last number is 55 and and 55 is less than 66, so we have to arrange here. We have to shift 55 in this position. So it is automatically sorted 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 66, 77 and 88. Okay, so algorithm is there. Set A0 is infinity. Initialize the sentinel element. Repeat step 3 to 5 for K2, 3 up to N. Set temporary AK and PTR K minus 1. That is PTR, that means pointer. We test the K minus 1 pointer and repeat while temporary is less than A of pointer. The pointer is given which is less than temporary position. So there is two option is there. A, PTR plus 1, that means PTR moves element forward, and B, set PTR equals to PTR minus 1, that means end of the loop. After PTR, if we get PTR set here, so PTR minus 1, pointer minus 1, set PTR plus 1 equals to temp, that means insert element in proper place and return. Okay, thank you.